English is the easiest language. Yes, you listen right. I always share with everyone that everything is easy when you're crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you are lazy for it. So that's why if you think that English is easy and I can speak it, and if you are trying, if you are practicing, if you are doing, and if you are just spending time with English, then it will be easy. But if you are thinking that English is very hard, I can't speak it, if I start speaking English I will do a lot of mistakes and also another negative thoughts, then it will be the hardest and the hard thing for you. So just try to understand, in this world there is nothing easy or nothing hard. The difference maker is our brain. So if you can control your brain, and if you can control the power of thinking, then everything you can make easy. So now let's start. I know that everything is a little bit confusing, but I am sure that if you watch this video step by step, then everything I will understand to you like the water. Yes, and also the people who think that English is the hardest thing, just watch this video till the end and you will understand why I said English is the easiest. So now let's start the video without any stopping. So now the first thing that I am going to talk about, it is our thinking. Yes, the thinking is the most powerful weapon, and also it is the most powerful power. Yes, the thinking power. Just try to understand. For a little example, I will share incidents of cycling. So just imagine and just think that you can't ride the cycle and you want to learn how to ride the cycle. So that's why you also have a cycle, you have an open road to ride it, but for some fears you just don't ride the cycle. You also search and you watching many tutorials in the YouTube and also in the internet, how to ride the cycle, how to control it, how to balance it. But whenever you think to ride it, then you just become afraid by thinking that when you will ride the cycle you will be unbalanced, you will fall down and you will be injured, and also your cycle also can be injured for some this simple negative thoughts. You are not riding the cycle. So now how you will learn the cycle? There is no way that you can learn the cycle. If you want to learn the cycle, then you have to just ride the cycle. You have to push the pedals, you have to fall down. Yes, I know that whenever you will start riding the cycle, then first time you will fall down, but after falling down, when you will get back up and when you will start riding the cycle again, when you will start pushing the pedals, then you will learn. So that's why whenever we think negative thoughts and also negative things, that I can't do this, it's very hard, and also for the English, when we think that when I will start speaking the English language, then I will stop everything, my brain will be blank, I am not able to do conversation, then the thing also will be like that. Great people, successful people, they said to us that everything depends on your thinking. Okay, if you are thinking that you will be the richest person in your society, then you will be. And if you are thinking daily, and if you are telling to yourself, if you are promising to yourself that you will be the richest person in the whole country, you will do this, you will buy all of the cars, that the dream of yours, and if you are thinking them daily, if you are repeating them, then one day you can achieve them. Yes, because our brain, it is like a small child. How you will give it shape, then it will be grow up. So just try to understand. If you are also thinking, and if you were just thinking in your brain a lots of negative thoughts, a lots of negative things about the English language, that I can't do it, just stop thinking all of those things and just start saying that you are the best. Yes, you are the best. Now I am speaking and I am the main hero of the film. So that's why I am just thinking that I am the best and I know the English language most, and also very better and very good. So whenever you will start doing this type of things, then you also will be great. But remember, one is a confidence that we everyone need in our life, but another is overconfident. If you build up your overconfidence, then the loss will be yours. But if you build up a confidence, if you build up also a patience, and also if you do practice, if you just do everything practical like the base of the confidence, then it will be very great. So remember this and just try to control your thinking. Try to control your thinking in this world. As I said, that the difference maker between the easy and the hard, it is our brain. Okay, it is our brain. If you think that like playing the bat ball, whenever you go at the playground, okay, some days you also play very well, but some days you play very weak, very poor, very bad. Do you know why this happen? Some people will say that for the sleeping, some people say for the depression, and also another things, but I will say to you, it's for the thinking. Okay, just try to understand. You are on the batting, and in front of you the bowler is very fast bowler, and also in every over the bowler takes a one wicket. Okay, so that's why now you are thinking about the bowler will bowl very fast, and if I just move my bat very late or very early, then I also can be the bowled out. So that's why for this type of thinking, when the bowler bowls, then also you just like a stroke, and also sometimes you also just bowl a weak, the bowler takes a wicket. So that's why at that moment you are thinking about the bowler, you are thinking about the negative parts. But when you will start thinking about the positive parts, like the bowler will bowl very fast, so if I just touch the ball with my bat, then also the ball can go very far. So just remember, everything has a negative part, everything has a positive part. But if you are taking, and also if you are going at the side of the negative, then everything will be negative, everything will be bad. But if you just taking the positive part, if you just using, then if you are taking the benefits of the positive part, then it will be very useful and helpful for you. So this thing I want to share. You are thinking about the bowler who is very strong bowler, so it means that you are afraid from the bowler. So at that moment, doesn't matter how you just stroke and also how you hit, you will be bowled out. But if when also like in front of us, when like a simple and also a weak bowler comes, then also we just hit the ball very fast and also with many runs. So just try to understand, doesn't matter who is in front of you, it may be a simple and normal bowler, or it may be also a very hard and a very powerful bowler. But if you are thinking that you can hit, you can make a run, it's very easy, then you also can. But with this, the practicing is also important. Okay, if you are thinking that, oh, now I will just hit, I will make runs, now in front of me it is a very fast bowler, but it doesn't matter, I will just hit and hit. But on the another hand, if you don't have practice, then you can't. So that's why I say that everything need the mixture. Okay, if you want to speak the English language better, then you need the confidence, you have to think that it is easy, but on the another hand, you also have to practice it. You need the patience, you have to do hard work, otherwise you are just thinking but the works are not going. So that's why the work and means the acting and the thinking, we need them both. Okay, this is a very beautiful quote is there that I just suddenly remembered. This quote just like and matched my speaking and also my speech, that most of the problems in life are because of two reasons: we act without thinking, or we thinking without acting. Okay, just think that some people, we also just don't act, means we don't do work, we just think, but others, they don't think and they start doing the work. So that's why you also have to think, you also have to do the work. If you just mix them, if you mix all of the things, then it will be great for you. And now it is the time to make our English the easiest language. So now the most important thing, it is that now for the English language is a little bit hard for a number of people. Because for what? Because they can't speak. Just try to understand one thing, that every work is hard until you try it. Okay, until you try it, every work is hard. Just think climbing the tree. Now in front of you there is a very big tree, and you are thinking that yes, climbing the tree, I can't climb up the tree because it is straight, it is very hard. But if someone gave you a task, and if someone said you that you have to climb up the tree, at the first attempt you will fall down, it maybe you will be injured, but at the second attempt, at the third attempt, it will be easy, because you know everything how to do the thing, and you realize that it is not that much harder that you are thinking. So as I say you, at the first moment everything depends on your thinking. So just try to speak, okay, in front of the people who have the fear from people. I will share with you, it will be a little bit rough and it will be a little bit difficult, but if you can complete this stage, then the halfway is open for you. Just go in front of the people and then speak until you don't face your problem and also your fear, it will be in you. Okay, the people who have height phobia, okay, some people they also can't go like a little bit higher thing, and also I also have this type of thing, this phobia from the height. So that's why it's not a long time ago, yesterday, as everyone knows that we have a mango tree on our house, at our house. So that's why there were many mangoes at the roof of our house. So that's why now in my house I am the smallest person. So that's why I just decided that I have to climb up the roof and I will just take all of the mangoes, because if I don't go, then for the sunrises they will all become like unless and also useless, we can't eat them anymore. So that's why with the help of a ladder I just went up. At the time when I was going up, I was very afraid, but when I went up the roof, then it was a little bit normal. And then after taking all of the mangoes, when I just started coming down, then it was also a little bit afraid thing and also a little bit fear I had at that moment. But with some courage I just climbed down, and nowadays I can easily go up and down. So that's why in the speaking time also, I also have done a lot of speeches and also stage competition, stage speeches in English. So that's why when also we start speaking in front of many people, then the first few minutes are very hard for us, but the middle time and also the last time they are very easy. So that's why I want to share with you that practice the LSRW. Okay, just the less of LSRW is making the English language hard. So what is the LSRW? LSRW means listening, speaking, reading and writing. Okay, so just when you will listen, then you also can develop your English. Just try to remember that how you learned your mother tongue. Okay, when we were a baby, at that moment our thinking also wasn't developed very well, but at that moment, with the helping of listening to our parents, listening to our elders, okay, we learned our mother tongue. So why not the English? Okay, if you can listen a whole language with only listening in one or also a few months, then why not the English language? Just take the speeches of English, just listen them and also just practice them. And now how we will practice? By the speaking. Yeah, just speak every day. If you are listening the English language half an hour, 2 hours, but not speaking it, then it will be useless. Okay, with the English listening, you also have to speak it daily. You speak it daily on a base that just take few times. And also, as I am practicing the English language, you are also know that I am making the video, but I am practicing because I am speaking the English language. So it's my morning time, and also after waking up, one my mandatory work, it becomes the making the video means practicing English. So that's why you also can practice. Now what you will practice, it is the question. Many people, they always say to me, they always question to me that Prathip, you say that practicing is very important, but what will you practice? The answer is that stories. Yes, simple small stories, it is the best way for all of the beginners. In my beginning time, I did not just focus on the grammar, any type of thing. Just I read the story, and also after reading the story, I would practice them, I would say them. So that's why I always say and I give a priority to the storytelling. Storytelling is the best practice. If you are just reading the story, if you are telling the story, if you are explaining the story, then you're also getting and several benefits you will get, several benefits you will understand and you will realize. Because whenever you read a story, then your reading is also developing. Okay, just try to understand. By one time reading you can't speak the whole story in English. So that's why you also have to read the English language for 3 times, 2 times, 4 times, 5 times a one simple small story. And then when you will read, then after reading, when something will go in your brain, then after you will work, and with your brain, with the words, you also will just speak. And also the another benefits is you are just using the words that you have stock. Remember one thing, people say that I don't have stock of words. Whenever I do conversation with my friends, they say that Prathip, you have a lot of stock words but we don't have. Bye. But at that moment, one answer I always give to them, that no, you also are in class 8, I am also in class 8. The stories that you have read, I also have read all of those stories. But only the difference is I just use all of the stock of words, but you don't use. Okay, everyone, you, we all have the same stock of words in English, but the only difference is the people who use the stock of words, the people who use the words, the sentences that are in their brain, they just change the game. So that's I always say that practically it's very important. Practice English. So listen English, and then after listening, just speak English daily. After speaking, you also have to read. Just try to understand. The best time is the morning time. In the morning time, you also don't have any work. Nobody has any type of works in the morning time, so it's free time. Just after going in the bed at night, take your phone, take a small little story, and then read the story 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and then at the bed just try to speak the story. At that moment, if you can't speak, then it is very good. Otherwise, you also have to work on the story first of all, and then at the morning time, take your phone or go in front of a mirror, and then just speak and speak and speak. Tell the story 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. And if you are a real beginner, then spend a long time with one story. It will be great. And then the last one is writing. Okay, writing is also important, and writing is like the speaking. If you want to better your handwriting, then you have to write. So I will not say about it. Our handwriting is good, everyone's handwriting is good. So this simple thing, LSRW, the three things that you have to focus most, they are the listening, the reading, and then the speaking. So just practicing English is not hard. Just try to understand, English is not hard. Until you try it, until you speak it, make it easy. Why we are afraid from it? Just forget everything. Okay, you don't need grammars, you don't need to develop your confidence. At my first beginning time, I also didn't know, I was not introduced by the confidence, by the hesitation, by the fear, and also the another things. Stock of words, stock of sentence, I just read and read the story, I just told the story. And I also practice the camera speaking and also making videos. It is the greatest practice. Okay, if you just make the videos, then you can capture your mistakes and your problems, and you can find your weak point. You can understand, you when you listen your own voice, then it will be great. So just speak English. Okay, speak. If you want to develop your conversation skills, then just call your one friend, call your father and mother. Okay, you don't have to do anything, just you need a person in front of you. People say that now I am belonging from a society where nobody knows the English language, so now how I will practice with them? Just try to understand, everything as a negative point, everything has a negative, and also everything has a positive part. Okay, if you always find out the negative parts, that oh, I just belong in a society where nobody knows the English language, so how I will practice? If you are just thinking that, then you will just spend your time and you will waste your time with the thinking, with the problem. There is a quote, a very beautiful quote: when you focus on problems, you will have more problems, but when you focus on possibilities, you will have more opportunities. Okay, find out the ways how you can develop the English language with the people who don't know the English language. If you can find out it, if you can find out the positive sides of all of the words, then you are gonna be the game changer. Yes. Okay, like I also will give you an answer. If you are belonging from that, if your family members nobody knows the English language, then just take a note paper and also a notebook, and then after taking it, just write down some sentences, write down some words, write down some normal sentences, like what you did yesterday, what is your hobby, what you want to be in your future, like this type of big like small question but big answer question. Just write in the copy, and then after writing it, give the copy to somebody. Okay, and then just say to them that sit here and ask me the questions, I will give you the answer. Okay, the person, everyone can read the English language. We have this type of simple knowledge to read it. So that's why when he or she will read the question for you, just give them the answer by looking at their eyes and also saying that they are the human beings, they can do, and we also can do this type of things. So remember it. That's why I always say everything has a negative part, everything has a positive part. If you always choose the negative way, then your works and your personality will be negative. But if you have the positive side, then just go on, everything will be positive, everything will be good. So it was the videos of today. If you like this video, then guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and also like the people like the video and also just comment down what you think about the practice, what you think about the speech. So if you like it, then don't forget. I also observed that people, they love our videos, they also watch our videos, but they don't subscribe our channel. Why guys? Your one subscribe, one like, and also one beautiful quotes, they give me a lot of motivation. Okay, if you think that I am speaking and my work is speaking, that yes, my work is speaking, but if you don't give me a little bit motivation, then how I will make brand new and perfect ideas videos. So just subscribe this channel, it will be very helpful for you. Remember, if you subscribe this channel, then your English speaking journey, it will be more shorter and it will be also more fun. I will fulfill it with also little shortcuts, ideas, practice. So bye bye guys. English is not hard. We are thinking it is hard, but if you start thinking it is easy, then it will be easy.